Dear students, today we will solve few problems based on series diode configuration. So we are going to start problem solving. So this is the topic for today, problem solving on series diode configuration. So first problem, here we are getting an example. Suppose a battery of 0.5 volt is connected to a diode which is connected with a series resistance of 1.2 kilo. Okay. Suppose this drop is VR and drop across this diode is VD. And you have to find out diode drop, resistance drop, and diode current. So you have to solve for these three things. So this current in through this diode is ID. So first of all, we will see whether diode is on or off. So how can we check? So this applied voltage. So for solving this, so first step one is check on or off, whether this diode is conducting or not conducting. So drop at this positive terminal is 0.5 volt. To conduct, this drop must be greater than 0.7 volt. Because on VK, suppose silicon diode, so this is suppose silicon diode is there, then on voltage is 0.7 volt. So this applied voltage must be greater than this 0.7 volt to conduct this diode. So this diode is in on state if this applied voltage is greater than this. So now you can see what is the condition for this diode. For this configuration, diode is in off state. Then what is the equivalent circuit? You can write here 0.5 volt, this open circuit, then resistance 1.2 kilo. Here drop is VR. Okay. Diode drop is VD. Then what are these three values? You can easily calculate for this given configuration. So first you can see this current is 0. Why? Because open state is there. So diode current is 0. Now what is the VR? VR through Ohm's law, you can write current into resistance, that is also 0. Because this diode current is 0 and ID and IR are same. So this is 0. Now you can calculate this VD. So VD is simply 0.5 volt because this terminal is connected to plus 0.5 volt battery. So this positive terminal is connected to 0.5 and negative terminal is ground. Because there is no current, drop here is 0 volt. So potential difference between these two terminals is 0.5. So this is the analysis for this simple circuit. So obviously for this circuit, diode is in off state. Now we can take another example. So now second problem. Here we are using two diodes. First one is the simple silicon diode. This is the light emitting diode. And here we are using 680 ohms. And voltage at this node is V0. Current, here we are using 12 volt. And VK1, this on state voltage is given 0.7 volt, and for this light emitting diode, this on state voltage is given 1.8 volt. You have to calculate, or you can say find out V0 and ID. You have to calculate V0 and ID. So this is the ID here, current through this diode, and voltage at this node is V0. So come to the equivalent circuit. So first draw equivalent circuit by using model. डायोड मॉडल यूज करेंगे आप लोग. So here we are using plus 12 volt. So you can use two batteries, BK1, BK2, and one resistance of 680 ohms. This is supply 12 volt. Current here is ID. Okay. Same current is flowing through this resistance. So what is the method to calculate these two things? V0, that is drop at this node. So you can write V0 is simply the potential at this. So this is the IR. Suppose here you are using current IR. In this resistance, you can write IR into resistance. So this is the voltage drop about. You can find out current, then you can write V0. So this is one thing. Another thing is you can apply KVL. Applying KVL, you can write here 12, okay, equals 0.7 plus 1.8 plus V0. Applying this KVL in this loop, you can write this. This is the active drop. Obviously, this is 12 volt, means this is with respect to ground. So in this closed loop, this is the drop. This is equal to K1, K2 plus this drop. So from here, you can calculate V0. V0 is 12 minus 1.8 plus 0.7, that is 2.5, which is equal to 9.5 volt. So this is the V0. And from here you can calculate the diode current also. Obviously these two currents are same. Diode current and this resistance current are same because these two elements are in series. And from this expression, you can calculate this current. What is current? Voltage upon resistance. So you can find out 9.5, this is in volts, and this is 680 ohm. So from here you can calculate this current. Okay. So this is the method. So what is the general method to find out? So first thing, whether applied voltage is greater than on state voltage. So here sum is VK1 plus VK2. What is value of this? 1.8 plus 0.7, that is 2.5. And applied voltage is greater than this voltage. So these two diodes are on. So this is the first of all, you have to check whether diode is on or off. If diode is on, you can replace diodes by equivalent circuits or models. If diode is off, you can take open circuit because no current is there. So in on state, you can use these two batteries, simple drop across these two diodes. In first diode, this is the on voltage. In second diode, K2 is the on voltage. So these are two voltages, K1 and K2. So now we can calculate by using circuit rules. So we have three rules. So what are rules? First is, one thing is KCL, another thing is KVL, and one rule is Ohm's law. By using these three rules, we can calculate all these values. So this is the second problem. You can take one more problem for series configuration. You understand? So this is the third problem. Silicon diode. We have 5.6 kilo ohms. Drop is V0. These are two silicon diodes. Okay. Here drop is VD1. Here VD2. Okay. You can see this is the resistance and applied voltage is plus 20 volts. Okay. Current is shown ID. You have to find out currents and voltage. Determine ID1, ID2 and V0. This is the statement. You have to calculate these three values. So first check which one is on, which one is off. So this is forward bias, this is reverse bias. You can replace this by a simple battery of 0.7 volt, and this is the open circuit. This is the resistance of 5.6 kilo ohm. Okay. So here drop is VD2. Here drop is VD1. And here you have applied voltage 20 volt. You have to calculate these three things. How can we calculate? First thing is, because this is open, so currents, all currents are zero. ID1, ID2, and if this you show that this is the current through this, all these currents are zero. Because this is open. No current will flow through this series circuit. Okay. So ID1 and ID2 are 0. Now what is V0? How can we calculate this V0? V0 is also, you can say, IR into resistance. So this drop is also 0 because this current is 0. So because this current is 0, this is 0. Okay. So this is the about these two things, ID1, ID2 and V0. You can also find out this value of VD2 by applying KVL. It is asked. So only three things are required, ID1, ID2 and V0. You can calculate because this is open. So current is 0. These two currents are 0. And now due to this 0 current, voltage drop across this resistance is also 0. So in this way, we can solve different problems based on series configuration. So what is the basic rule to solve series configuration? So first of all, check whether diode is on or off. Okay, if diode is on, you can replace model by on state. If diode is off, you can replace model of off state, that is open circuit. Then you can apply rules of circuits, KCL, KVL, Ohm's law. Okay, these are the basic three rules and few concepts of diode. Okay, in forward bias, diode is on. In reverse bias, diode is on. So this is all about for today. Thank you.